What up guys, welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. This episode is another very special episode for the reason being that Auxito reached out to me and they wanted me to create a video of installation of these H13 LED light bulbs with their anti-flicker harness for the Jeep JL. So this is exciting. Special shout out to Auxito for checking out my videos and supporting the channel, right? So they sent me their products and I want to install it in this episode to show you guys what they're about. So as you guys can see on the JL, I have the halogen headlights on for the moment. But with these LED light bulbs, I'm excited to see how bright they'll be over the halogen bulb. So come along, check it out. I'm going to show you a step-by-step installation, a very close view of the installation. So if you're interested, you can check it out. I'm going to have their link down below in the description. They have a variety of supplies and products for a lot of vehicles. So if you're interested, check it out and make the purchase. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll do my best to answer this. And other than that, let's get to installing Auxito's LED light bulbs. Let's go. All right, so before we complete the installation, let's check out how the halogen light bulbs look. Obviously they're not that bright, but we want to see how it looks before and after, right? So let's turn it on. All right, let's go down the road. Obviously this is low beam right now, and now get a better view of the road. Let's go high beam now. There we go. Not much difference, right? And these are just the stock halogen lights. All right, next is the installation. All right, so to start off, obviously to get to the headlights, you got to remove or detach the grill. Now, a lot of people say to remove the entire grill out. I like to find another solution to it. And of course, you guys can see I have a winch that's pretty tucked in against the grill. So obviously I can't remove the entire grill off. So, but you'll start off by taking these grommets off. There's about, I like to say about 6 on the top area. So you pry those out, and I think you do have enough room to get out the large head unit. So you have enough room just to unbolt it. Obviously you see the bolts there. There's 3 of them, 2 on top and then 1 in the bottom corner. Just unbolt those, but you have enough room. Just be careful not to overstretch it. I like to be careful at least. All right, so there you guys have it. The bolts are removed. The headlight unit is completely removed, and I'll leave it up to you whether you want to remove it. You just have to play with the grill a little bit and finesse it out, or you can install it. You have enough room there, and just remove the cap. For me, I'm going to remove it completely so I can show you the complete installation, a detailed look. So let's get to that now. Okay, great. So I have everything on display here. I took the headlight unit out completely. That way I can put a better demonstration instead of showing you hard to reach areas on the Jeep itself. So I thought maybe I just display it here. So there's going to be a better suited view of this. So we're going to put these gloves that Auxito provides within their kit, so that way we don't have any oils from our hands going onto the LEDs themselves. So we just want to make sure we keep the life of the LED bulb. So very simple. Let's get to work. Very quick. You guys can all do this. Just remove the cap, get the harness out and unclip it, and then rotate the OEM headlight bulb, the halogen one. Obviously we don't want this anymore, and we're going to install the anti-flicker, I believe, onto the head unit. So one thing to note here is that we're no longer going to use the cap here. Maybe this it may be a disadvantage for you, but for me I don't think it'll matter unless you submerge your Jeep. Maybe you might soak up this. Hopefully it's water resistant, I'm pretty sure, but if not, well, what's what we're gonna do. One side goes to each, so this side here, actually no, it's gonna be this side. There's 2 sides, but you'll figure it out. This one with the stickers will go onto this end and you'll hear it clip. The next one, you'll get one of the LED bulbs and then clip it in place as well. Make sure it gets in there. Make sure you lock it in place. Then obviously you stick it into the head unit, rotate it, and we're in business. So I wonder how bright these are going to brighten up the night. It's going to be amazing to check it out. And obviously you may want to zip tie this inside your Jeep. I'll let you decide how you want to do that. It's up to you, unless you want to bolt it down somewhere around the grill. I'll let you figure that out. That one's up for interpretation. Other than that, let's put this head unit back on. Like I mentioned, we're no longer going to use this cap. You'll decide whether you want to do this or not, but I'm going to leave it like this, put it back into place, and let's hit the night and see what these LED bulbs are all about. So this is exciting to see the Auxito LED lights on the JL. So it's finally dark. You guys are ready to see what they're about. So we saw the halogen, the yellow light. So let's see what these are about. Ready? Check it out. Boom, wow. So right out the bat, if you recall, if you want to fast forward or rewind, you'll see. Let's see, drive a little further up. Let's hit the high beam. Oh yeah, much brighter. Obviously the video doesn't do it justice, but I definitely agree they're way brighter. Thank you, Auxito, for providing your products to me for my review installation video. I'm impressed with your product. So once again, low beam, high beam, very nice clean look. I wish you guys could see it in person, but you know, my video can only do so much. But I'll let you guys decide whether you guys want to go with this value product. I think it's a great buy. And you guys can see the performance of it. Well guys, I gotta say I'm very impressed with Auxito LED light bulb package that they sent me. Man, this was a great collaboration because these are very bright. Now of course my video doesn't do it justice. If you were here in person or if you purchase this product, man, you'll see how bright these light bulbs are. They're definitely better than the stock light bulbs. The halogen light bulbs, they don't do that great. But with these, they're bright. I accidentally blinded some other drivers. So what I gotta do, and I recommend you guys do this as well, make sure you adjust your light bulbs. You don't want to blind people. You don't want them flashing their high beams at you. So make sure you do that. Other than that, I hope you guys are able to install this. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm willing to help you guys out. And make sure you check out these light bulbs. In the description, I'm gonna have links to these specific light bulbs for the JL and the flickering harness included. So if you're interested in purchasing these for your Jeep, make sure you check out Auxito's website. And there is a promotion code included. So if you purchase them, you're gonna get a discount for your purchase. So make sure you check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this collaboration and enjoy the next videos that are coming. I got so much content. It's just time. I gotta find time and make time to edit this video so I can share with you guys. But I hope it helps you guys out to go out and install new stuff on your Jeep. So other than that, make sure you check out Auxito. Thank you, Auxito, once again. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Later.